Yes, yes, yes. We are live. We are live. Bitcoin is breaking out. We're going to definitely talk about this today. And if you are new to the channel, welcome. Definitely hit that subscribe button. What I do over here, I basically only focus on the chart. I've been doing this for 11 years. I am a professional day trader and professional swing trader. So what I do is I day trade the financial markets Monday through Friday, and I also swing the crypto markets. Okay, so if that's something that you want to learn more about, definitely hit that subscribe button. I look for certain patterns on the chart and basically take advantage of those patterns. And that's what I do. And during this whole, I guess this whole year so far, a buy and hold strategy is not really the best. Okay. So if you want to learn how to make money in this current market, definitely hit that subscribe button. Okay. We're definitely going to talk about this swing. Actually this bullish breakout, not this bullish breakout, but this breakout right here. Okay. This pullback and, and more. So let's get this party started. Let's see if I see anybody here. Hey, what's going on, NN? Okay. So NN is the first guy in the building. Definitely gonna wait for more people to come in. Thanks a lot, guys, for coming in. And of course, during this live stream, I'm not giving nobody financial advice. This is entertainment only. Okay, and if you are watching a live stream, you can definitely go to settings and go to speed and either click 1.5 or 2, and you can actually speed up the time. So let's talk about this bullish breakout. But let me give you guys a round of applause. And I don't know why I'm keep on calling this a bullish breakout. My fault. I'm sorry. Let's talk about this pullback. So let me give you guys a round of applause. And let me tell I'm telling people that I'm live right now. So let me see if I see anybody in the building before we even talk about this. What's going on, Crypto Inspo? What's going on, man? Crypto Inspo, I didn't see you, haven't been seeing you for a long time. What's going on, Michelle? What's going on, NN? Craig, Tony, Abdul, Antoine. Alright, and this bit. Let me see. Eric, Ken, Dom, Hensley. Leslie Savage, Rufus. What's going on, everybody? So welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you have any questions, let me know. We're going to definitely go over the chart and go over this market. So let's go to coin market first. Let's refresh this thing. We finally broke over the 220 billion mark, and the dominance is it's not going down too much, but it went down a little bit, which is to me is not nothing. The volume is still low when it comes to Bitcoin and overall market. Let's look at the volume with Bitcoin. I'm going to check the volume. Let's check it out. Let's see, the volume is still low, guys. 4 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion. So overall, this is still low. This whole up move that we see, well, we basically seeing right here. Okay, this whole up move right here. Okay, look at the volume. Okay, we talking about 4 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion, 4 billion, 3 billion. It's not enough. It's not enough at all. So the overall market is going up, which is, good for people. I'm hoping you guys making some type of money. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice, but if you are up on the long side, just be prepared. If you want to take some profits, be prepared. Definitely be prepared if you want to take some profits. Don't. When it comes to taking profits in the bear market, don't be shy at all. Don't be shy. You definitely gotta lock in those profits in the bear market. And overall, guys, you just have to. What's going on, everybody? So if you have any questions, if you think this market is bullish, or you think this thing's gonna go to the moon, or whatever the case is, definitely let me know and state your reason why. You know, but I'm the guy that basically I'm gonna tell you to not have that, you know, that FOMO or get too excited, you know, because anything can happen. We saw what Bitcoin did in the past multiple times. Okay, so I'm the guy that's always trying to keep you in check. I'm not the guy that's trying to hype things up or try to say, man, you know, guys, we're going. This is it. This is the bottom. I'm not that guy. I'm the guy that's saying, you know what, you know, in the past, Bitcoin been playing with our emotions, so let's keep it calm, okay, and let's just basically take it day by day. So right now, what we've seen on the chart is basically Bitcoin hitting this key level right here, which is 59. Shot up, consolidated, broke out the consolidation, pulled back to the breakout, and then found support at the breakout. And then we just basically going back up. We consolidated a little bit over around here, which is around 67. We broke out of this level, okay? And it's basically, it's just going up right now. It's going up. So you just have to be prepared for these up moves. It is some resistance. At this zone that I have right here is definitely some resistance over here, so we just got to keep an eye on that. So overall, that's what we're looking at in the market. So let me see if I see any questions here before I keep going with this live stream. So shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for coming through. Okay, hit those likes if you are in this building. If you are in the building right now, if you are new to the live stream, welcome to my live stream. If you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions right now, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years, so I definitely can answer your questions. So let me go over some questions real quick. So Hensley said, hello, first time on your show. So welcome, Hensley. Thanks a lot for coming through. I appreciate it. I definitely appreciate all my first time viewers. Okay, so Hensley, what's your view on this Bitcoin run? What do you think? You think it's gonna go up, or you think it's just another fake out? Let me see. Ken said, nice being back. You working your butt off, so shout out to you. Crypto Inspo said, I have been watching your live stream with the playbacks. Okay. Oh, you just started school? All right, so shout out to you starting in school. Okay, studying computer science. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Davina Perry, what's going on? How you doing? Let me see. What's going on, Matt? Crypto Inspo said the market will crash soon. Let's go Beats. Let's go Bears, I guess. Let me see. Lord, what's going on? What's the word? You see it going up more? Do I see it going up more, Doug? Yeah, I'm going to talk about that. I'm trying to see if I see any questions. Like I said before, I'm trying to get these questions real quick. Okay, shout out to you, Hensley. All right. I'm doing good, Davina Perry. I'm doing good. Thanks a lot. So David said, yeah, we've been getting fake outs all year. So that's pretty much where I'm at right now. Okay, we've been getting fake outs all year. So this is why I told you guys I'm not really that guy that's going to hype things up. I'm sorry. I'm not that guy. I'm not going to say, hey man, we're gonna go to the moon. This is the start of the bull run. We're gonna go to 50K. We're going to, I'm trying to be as real as possible, trying to talk, and give you guys my 11 years of experience. I understand all these uptrends, downtrends. I'm just trying to let you guys understand what's going on right now and take it day by day. So this is what I do. I try to take it day by day, because if you don't take it day by day, you can actually stress yourself out, worrying about the future, and you can actually lose a lot of money just by doing that. Okay, so right now what we've seen is on a 4 hour. Okay, on a 4 hour we are pushing up. So what they're doing right now, is they are actually taking out stops. Okay, so this is what the market loves to do. The market loves to take out stops. So the next area that I'm seeing right now, stop area, is this right here. Okay, is this area right here, which is let me see, it's around 71, 72. Okay, so definitely it looks like it's going to hit that area. Okay, so I'm quite sure a lot of people got stops around that area. Okay, now when it hit this stop, when it blow past this level right here, it might spike up even more. Okay, because just because stops is right here, it doesn't mean that there's some other stops above those. So if the stops is above these areas right here, it might spike up some more. So we might see 73. Okay, can it go to 75? It's possible, but I don't think it will go that high. Okay, but anything is possible. I'm thinking more 72-ish, maybe 73, 74, and then from there, most likely we're going to see some type of pullback. Okay, now these guys that took this breakout right here, most likely the market will, whatever level they want to go to, most likely the market will pull back to this level right here. Okay, which is around 67. Now, once it hits that level and we can't find support right here, okay, let's say it bounced right here and it goes back up. Does that mean that we will continue to go up? No, it just simply means it found temporary support. And what it could do is basically create some type of double top and maybe, go back down. Okay. But overall, guys, we are still in this channel. Even though we break out the channel just a little bit, it's still good. Okay. Because we can always come back in the channel. So right now the channel is definitely playing out. And I'm definitely looking for these resistance level, because I'm not going to let Bitcoin trick my subscribers multiple times. Okay, in the past it just kept on, it's just repeating the same thing. So you just have to keep that in mind. Don't get too excited. This is just, to me, it's just a regular pullback in a market. Okay, so we just have to take this day by day. Now, once it hit these levels right here, I'm definitely what I'm looking for, honestly, is I'm looking for like a big candle, either to the upside or to the downside. And that's going to tell me that most likely sellers is coming in the market. Okay, so right now I don't see any big red candles or anything like that. So most likely they didn't hit the level that they want to hit yet. Okay, so just expect some more upside. And then once you see that selling coming in, that's when you know most likely they hit the level that they really want to hit. So let me see if I see any questions. Like I said, guys, this is not a regular live stream where I'm just going on and on. Okay, I do interact with my live subscribers. So if you are on this live stream right now, and if you have any questions, let me know. So let me see if I see any questions here. Okay. Yeah, so Dom said, when do you think the dump will start? So basically, yeah, Dom. So like I said before, we're going to take out some stops first. Okay, so that's around the 71, 72 area. Okay, a lot of stops is around there. So we might spike up to the 73. Okay. Will we go to 74? It's possible. But I know 72, 73 is probably a good area. But I'm looking for some big candles to the up and downside. Okay. So maybe the way things is looking right now, it's looking like they waiting for September to do whatever they want to do. Let me see here. Okay, so let me go over some more questions. And shout out to everybody that's in the building, guys. Shout out to all you guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. Let me give you guys another round of applause, man. Thanks a lot for coming through, you know, in this live stream. I definitely appreciate it. I definitely appreciate it, guys. Okay, so Crypto Inspo said, Ben, do you think having an open order short at 74.40 is a good or a bad idea? You know, let me ask you this, Crypto Inspo. What is your reason for 74.40? Okay, that's my question to you. What is your reason for 74.40? Okay, yeah, hit these likes, guys. Hit these likes. Garrett said, do you run the BT short charts? You said, do you run the B? What do you mean? Do you run the BTC short charts? Do I run it? What do you mean? Do I run it? When the pullback happens, do you see 7? Yeah, I do see. Is when the pullback happens, right? I do see it going right back to the breakout. Okay, so the breakout is around. The first breakout is around here. Okay, this small breakout, which is around 67. Okay, that's the first breakout. And then we had another breakout right here, which is around 66. So, you know, I definitely see it pulling back to that 67 level. Okay. So let me see if I see any more questions here. Hey, what's going on, AZ? You said, don't you check the charts for shorts in the market? No, I don't check this chart for shorts. I don't check that chart. I see people looking at it. I don't know if I see any value in that chart. I'm trying to erase this crap. Okay, so let's go to what was pumping? Dash was pumping. Shout out to Dash. Dash was pumping real hard. But, you know, like I said before, this is just it's just the same story over and over, okay? The same story over and over in a bear market. Okay, and this is why, like I said, guys, I tell you right now, this is why I'm here to let you guys not get too amped when you see these pullbacks like this, because that's all it is. It's just a pullback. Okay, so I'm the guy, you know that guy that tell you, hey man, you shouldn't mess with that girl, or you shouldn't mess with that guy because that guy is no good for you. Okay, and then you still mess with the guy or girl because you don't listen. I'm that guy that's trying to, you know, give you some knowledge so you won't mess up, okay? Because trust me, I made the same mistakes you made in the past, okay? So I'm not saying that, you know, don't mess with Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, but what I will say is, you know, don't be that guy that get too excited, okay? Because we are still in the bear market, and I definitely expect this market to turn back around. So when you look at Dash, it looks good for, you know, someone that doesn't know how the market works, right? Dash looks good. Like, oh my gosh, you see Dash is pumping. But let's go back in the past, okay? Let's go back in the past. Pump right here. Pump right here, okay? A little pump right here. Another pump right here. So how many times are you going to get hyped or hype, you know, when you see these pumps? This is why I'm trying to give you guys a professional view and show you guys, hey man, professionals don't get excited when they see things. They just take things day by day or trade by trade, and they go from there. You don't get it. They don't get excited because they see one move, you know. So I'm trying to help you guys out. A little pullback doesn't mean anything. Let's look at Litecoin. Let's look at these other cryptocurrencies. Let's see what's going on in the market. So Litecoin is popping up. Okay. How far Litecoin could go, we'll see. It might form a channel. I don't know. So it could be, you know, it might form some type of channel. Up channel like this, and go back down. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum, actually, last time I checked Ethereum, it wasn't really doing anything. Ethereum is lazy right now. Everybody is breaking out. Ethereum looks lazy. Goodness gracious. Let's look at Tron and them. Let's look at Tron. So Tron is popping. Okay. So like I said before, it looks like the market is trying to wait for something, either September. But these altcoins are pumping real nice right now, and I do expect that because we had this crazy drop. Remember, we had this crazy drop right here, so I definitely expect that. But we are in this bear market. We've been in this bear market for what, going on 9 months. So you have to basically understand that we are still in the bear market. We're going to see fake outs all the time, and this is what the market is all about, guys. This is what the market is all about. It's all about playing with your emotions. Shout out to everybody that's here. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know. If you have any questions, let me know. I've been doing this for 11 years. I'm a professional trader, day trader, and swing trader. This is what I do, guys. So if you have any questions, let me know. Let me see if I see any. David said, hit that like button hard. Shout out to you. Let me read some questions here. Michael said, "Hey Ben, I've gone through your course once, and now I'm starting through the second time. I'm looking to starting soon with a small sell trial. Okay, what exchange do you like the best?" Right now, I'm using JavX, but you can use any course. I mean, any exchange. I never tried BitMEX, but some people in the Discord, they love the BitMEX. So you can probably try them out too. If you live in the United States, you know, you got to figure that out. I know some people use the VPN or the Tor browser. But yeah, that's what I'm using right now. Okay, let's go over some more questions here. So shout out to everybody that's here, man. Thanks a lot for coming through. I appreciate you being on my stream. Right now, you know, it is some good times in crypto right now. We're seeing a lot of green. So shout out to everybody that's here, that's making this money. Okay. If you do have some profits, maybe you want to lock in some profits. Of course, I'm not giving nobody financial advice, but hey, man, let's keep it real. You know, one day we up, next day we down. So sometimes you gotta just lock in some profits. So let me see if I see any questions here. Lay Low said, "Will Tron moon?" Okay. So Lay Low, are you new to the channel? Are you new to the channel, Lay Low? So Lay Low said, "Will Tron moon?" Okay. So Lay Low over here, basically, I tell people that the market is we are in a what do you call that, a bear market, and right now nothing is pretty much going to moon right now. Okay, we just have to be patient and wait for the bulls to come back in the market. I believe that we have probably, you know, another leg down, but you know, you just have to be patient when it comes to the bulls, because right now we in a bear market. You guys, if you're new to the channel, right? If you're new to my channel and you're new to crypto, you have to understand that we have different cycles in the market. Okay, the market can't go up forever. So right now, unfortunately, we are in a down cycle where, you know, we are just going down this whole year. Okay, so you can't expect the market to just reverse like that. It takes time. Okay, so Tron right now is in a downtrend. Tron is in a downtrend, and not only Tron, all these coins are in downtrend. So I don't expect Tron to moon anytime soon, because BTC still is weak right now. BTC is still weak. Okay, so we just have to wait until the bulls come back. So let me see if I see any questions here. Any questions? Hey, what's going on, Scotty? I hear you, Dom. You say you want to play that 1, 2, 3. I hear you. G Slick said, "What about Dash?" Yeah, we talked about Dash already. Oh, Crypto Inspo said you saw something in the past hitting a moving average. I gotta check that out, Crypto Inspo. I gotta check that out. G Slick said, "Made another lazy $800 this week. Make that cash, ching ching." So G Slick is one of my students. Okay, shout out to him. He said he made another $800. Another lazy. He said another lazy $800 actually. So let me give him that cha-ching button. Shout out to him. Okay, actually let me give him a round of applause. Okay, making his money, making his $800. That's what's up, man. Congrats. And shout out to Keith. I don't know where Keith is at, but he's probably out there working. Shout out to Keith. And shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot. What's going on, Pablo? Okay, so Dash, like I said before, we talked about Dash already. Did a nice little pump, but like I said, it's just a regular pullback in the bear market. Okay. Now the best way to make money in this current market right now is to play these swings. Okay. So if you are new to my channel, new to cryptocurrencies, and you just all you know how to do is buy, you are at the right place right now, because I don't just preach buy on my channel, okay? I preach money making skills, okay? You have to learn how to create or actually build money making skills, because it's going to come a year where the cryptocurrencies is not going to do anything like this year. This is a perfect example, okay? If you look at BTC and these other cryptocurrencies, if you've been holding this whole year, you've been, most likely you haven't been making any money this whole year, okay? For 9 months, you haven't been making money. But me and my students been making money, because what we're doing is we taking advantage of these short-term swings. So don't confuse short-term swings with day trading. It's just swing trading, okay? So you see the market goes up, pull back, goes up, pull back. That's what we're doing, okay? We're taking advantage of these short-term swings on the higher time frames, okay? So if you are new to my channel, new to cryptos, right now, swing trading right now this year is probably the best thing to do, because buying, holding will stress you out right now this year, okay? Because if Bitcoin decides to dump tomorrow, okay, I know a lot of people are going to get stressed out, but I'm here to tell you that me and my students, we never stressed out if the market goes up or down, okay? Because we can make money either way, okay? If Bitcoin goes to 2K right now, guess what, guys? I can make money that way. If Bitcoin goes to 50K, guess what, guys? I can still make money. So the best thing to do right now in the bear market is to learn, okay? Is to learn how the market works, learn the major trends, okay? You have to learn the major trends. Like if you see the trend last year, it was just going straight up, okay? This year, we're just going down. We basically holding this level right here, the 6,000 level. Now, if Bitcoin decides to break this level, you know, my question to you is, what are you going to do? Are you just going to sit there and just scratch your head and hope that Bitcoin reverse? Or are you just going to, or are you going to learn about the market and figure out how to make money now in this current market? Because you can have actually two strategies. You can still buy and hold, okay, and you can basically take advantage of these swings. This is why you see my students asking me, you know, when do I think Bitcoin will turn? Because they understand that we are in a bear market, and they understand that, you know, when this market turns, okay, there's a lot of money to the downside, because most likely the market will turn back, right, and go back to this breakout right here that I told you about, because the market loves to go back to breakouts. Okay, so that's a lot of money. So, you know, for you guys that's just looking at this for the first time, you know, definitely just learn how the market works. Let's see if I see any questions, guys. Guys, if you're new to the channel, if you have any questions, let me know. All right. Jason said the 15-minute chart or the 5-minute. What do you mean the 15 or the 5-minute? Which time frame do you trade? Oh, well, I don't day trade cryptos. Okay, I only swing trade cryptos. So when I swing trade the cryptos, we looking at the 4-hour and the daily chart. When I day trade the financial markets, I'm doing the 5-minute and the 1 minute. The 5-minute and the 1 minute. Okay. So shout out to you guys. And I know some of you guys have been asking me about the course. So if you don't have this course by now, just check it out. Okay. During the live stream, I do give you guys the discount. So let me give you guys that discount right now, which is, you know, I'm basically giving it away. I know Crypto Inspo don't like me giving this discount. Shout out to Crypto Inspo. He's actually on a live stream right now. He don't like me giving out this discount, and he want me to raise the price to $400. Shout out to you, Crypto Inspo. But basically, this course will just give you a different set of eyes. Okay, it will show you how to become a pro. It will show you how to make money in the bear market, in the bull market. Okay, you could go read my testimonials. Okay, for my students making money in this current market. Okay, and basically it will help you right now on this market. So you saw one of my students just post just right now in his live stream. He made $800 this week. Okay, so if you want to check this out on my live stream, I give you a discount. So I just gave you guys that discount just right now. And when I get off this live stream, it goes right back up to 210. So check that out. Okay. And like I said before, it's not about day trading. It's about swing trading. If you have a 9 to 5, you can still make it work. Okay. If you work, you can still make it work. Okay. So I just put that link in. Crypto Inspo wants me to raise it to 600. He wants me to raise it to 600 because it's a lot of valuable information. And also, if you get this course, it comes with a Discord room. Okay, so you're gonna chat with me and my students. Okay, we post charts, we talk about crypto. So I mean, literally, like I said, guys, I'm giving this course away, because I'm looking at these other guys and what they charging. They basically charging way more. Okay, so like I said, it's up to you at the end of the day. So right now, guys, Bitcoin most likely is going to continue to go up. Take out these stops. And Crypto Inspo, you say you're looking for that 74 level. I don't know if Bitcoin will reach there though. I don't know. I don't know if it will go that high. Okay, I don't know if it wants to go that high. Put it like that. I don't know if it wants to go to 74. I'm thinking the high is 72, 73, but we'll see. Like I said, we'll see. I like to keep it day by day, but we'll see. But I'm definitely looking for some volume to come in, some huge candles. Let me see. So, like I said before, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Okay. You said the weekly chart BTC 74. What about it? Bobby said none of your students like it. I would have paid $400 for the course. Still would have thought it was a steal. Shout out to you, Bobby. Yeah, eventually I'm going to probably raise the price eventually, because Hanny said, will you take crypto for payment? You have, yeah, I can take it. You have to email me. So email me right now, Hanny. Okay. So let me give you my email address, but you got to email me right now because I'm going to forget. I'm going to forget that you was on a live stream. So Hanny, I just gave you my email address. So email me right now so I can give you that discount. Okay. You said that's where I'm getting the price from the weekly. I'm using Bowler Brands and Measure Moves. Okay, I see what you're talking about. Well, we might hit the 74, but I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know if it wants to go that high, but it might hit it though. It might hit it. We'll see. Let me see here. I know there's another coin I wanted to look at. I forgot what other coin I wanted to look at. BNB really is not doing anything. ETC going up a little bit. Okay, let's look at some questions before I get out of here. Tony said there's support at 42. If it drops below 6,000, what do you think? Yes. So yeah, I think it's support at 72 on it. I mean 42 on Bitcoin. I do think that, but at the same time, you know, we have to see how that support holds up. Okay, so when it hits that support level, we just have to see how it holds up. All right. You said what I think about energy about with the mainnet just around the corner. Okay, you just email me. Well, right now, you know, it might do a small pump, but at the same time, you have to be careful in the bear market, because we saw what Tron did when they had that little mainnet, or they had some news. Okay, you know, you just have to understand that in the bear market, when mainnets or some type of news come out, you know, it's just things could get ugly. Okay, I mean, Tron had a mainnet sell off. They sold off, and they had some news around here. They sold off. So, you know, it's very hard for a coin to move during a bear market just because good news. It's very hard because we dealing with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin right now is weak, and pretty much everything is tied to Bitcoin. So it's very hard to see any coin run hard right now, unless Bitcoin is making a pullback. But shout out to you, Hanny. You say you just email me. So shout out to you. And like I said before, anybody that got this course, please email me proof that you got this course, so I can send you that Discord link. Okay. How long are your trades? Are you talking about my day trades? My day trades could be anywhere from 5 minutes to a half an hour. No more than a half an hour, 20 minutes. My day trades. I'm trading around, like, you know, when the market opens, all the way till like 12 o'clock. So if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Shout out to everybody that's here, though. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Thanks a lot for stopping by, guys. I don't see any trolls. I don't see any trolls today, guys. I think the trolls are starting to realize, you know, it's not good to troll. It's not good to troll at all. Let the news come out. I want to short it. Let's go TRX pump for me. Shout out to Crypto Inspo. So Hanny said, with your class, what's your focus? Will you focus on teaching how to read candles? Is the candles the way to determine whether to sell or buy? I am confused. Yo, yes. So Hanny, shout out to you. Yes, in my course, I teach you everything. I teach you how to read the overall market. I teach you how to understand if we are in a bull market or a bear market. And then I'm going to teach you, okay, I'm going to teach you how to enter the market. Okay, it's certain setups that I use, and and I'm going to show you where I want you to enter the market, because I just don't want you to enter market anywhere. Okay. And then I'm going to go over the different cycles of the market. I go over a whole bunch of things, okay, in the course. But definitely you're going to learn, you know, different patterns. Okay, you're going to learn the trend. You're going to learn when to enter. You're going to learn when to exit. You know, all that good stuff. Mr. Sandy said, trolls get no love around here. Shout out to you. What's going on, Keith? Keith, where you been at? You was Hanny, it's a Mike, this right here, this course right here is something that you is a course that you download, okay? So it's not like a one-on-one, okay? But what you get is, like I said, you get access to the Discord room, okay? The Discord room is where we go and chat about crypto, post charts, you know, different things like that. But this course will basically show you, all right, show you everything that you will need to know about the markets. So you download it, you look at the course, and then you have access to the Discord room, okay, where you talk to me and my students. I gave you a shout out earlier. Oh, I didn't see you, Keith. My fault. Keith said, Hanny, his course will cover everything if you're completely new. It's easy to understand videos to watch. You won't regret it purchasing it. So thanks a lot, Keith. Yeah, Keith, I didn't see you. Shout out to you, man. Because I didn't see you earlier. Hanny says, sorry about all the questions. Nah, it's all good. Hey, what's going on, Ace? Ace said, I saw the movie last night, The Big Short. Yes, so that movie was pretty good. The Big Short. All about shorting the housing crisis in 2008. It was really good. Brad Pitt's, yeah, exactly. Everybody that's in this, you know, live stream definitely should check that out. It's a good movie, The Big Short. And also, like I said, right now, I believe we are going to crash again in the stock market. Okay, because, you know, the way this thing is going up is crazy. We're making new highs every single month. But we are in a bubble in the stock market, and basically it's too much leverage out there. And what I'm noticing is, number one, I noticed that we are in a tech bubble again. Not only in the tech bubble, we are in the automotive bubble, because if you look at these auto loans, okay, it's similar to the housing loans. Anybody could go to a dealership. Doesn't matter how bad your credit is, you can get a loan like it's nothing. So that's reminding me, you know, like back in 2008 when 2008, guys, oh my goodness, 2008, I'm telling you, 2008 was like, it was a good year to get a house, because it was so. I remember in 2008, I didn't even have a job at that time, right? It wasn't even 2008. It was actually 2000 and I think it was 2007 or 2006. 2007 or 6, right? I didn't have a job. Okay, I went to, I think I talked to a mortgage broker. Okay, at that time my credit was so. It was like in the 600s at that time. I didn't have no job, and the mortgage broker said I'm approved for a $500,000 loan. Okay, so I can go to a house, right? I can go to any, I can buy any house that's worth like $500,000. Okay, now I went to another broker. Okay, and then I went to another broker, and at that time You know, like I said, my credit was the same. And that person said I was approved for $700,000. $700,000. I had no job. I had no job, and my credit was so-so. That's how easy it was back in those days to get a house. That's why we saw that big crash in 2008, because anybody could just walk in, right? Walk in, get approved, and get a house. Okay, so this is what I'm seeing right now in the auto industry. But shout out to you guys, man. Thanks a lot for coming through. Thanks a lot for coming through. Let me give you guys a round of applause. And if you have any questions, let me know. If you have any questions, if you think the market is going to go up from here, if you think Bitcoin is going to make new highs, go to the moon, you know, let me know and state your reasons why. Let me see if I see any questions here. Crypto Inspo said one of my neighbors had a car loan with a 39%. You hear that? A 39.9 APR. That's crazy. That is crazy, guys. And that's what I'm talking about. Like, these guys, literally, like, anybody can get a loan, okay? It doesn't matter. Anybody can get a loan, okay? Yes, you might be paying $700, $800 a month. But still, that's crazy. Now you can get a car without a credit. Yeah, without credit. Yeah, I know, man. It's crazy. Hey, what's going on, Adam? So yeah, so I definitely think that auto industry is going to get hit hard during this crash. Adam said Bitcoin is in demand in the story. So shout out to you, Adam. So Adam, you think Bitcoin is going to go up from here? Adam, do you think Bitcoin will go up from here? Big Ben, I see major resistance at 72 and 75. Any chance we will see those this week? And yeah, I definitely see. What's today? Today is what, Wednesday? No, actually today is Tuesday, right? So I think I don't know what today is, man. I don't know what day is. Let me see. Let me see what. Yeah, today is Tuesday. So yeah, we could definitely see 72, 73 this week. Okay. And yeah, you're right. Those are a major resistance level. That's why I have this zone up right here. This zone right here. So I do expect some type of sell-in soon. Okay, I definitely expect something. I think they don't want to do anything until September. So Adam thinks that the market will go to the moon, and he thinks you know, we reverse. So Adam, let me ask you this question now. Shout out to you, Adam. Thanks a lot for coming through in the chat. So let me ask you this question, Adam. Okay, what is the difference between this up move, right, and these other up moves that really didn't go anywhere? Okay, so we going up right now. Okay, that it looks good, right? But what about back in February when we went up right here and it was looking good? Okay, what about here back in April when we was going up and it was looking good? Okay, what about here back in June when we was going up, it was looking good? So let me ask you this: what the difference between this up move and these other up moves? Okay, why is this up move so special? Why do you think this move is going to moon us up to the top? Let me ask you that question. And anybody else thinks that this is going to be the bottom and we're going to moon up, let me know. I don't think we will moon. So you just said that you said that Bitcoin, I swore you said that Bitcoin is in demand and is going up from here. Maybe I'm reading things wrong. I don't know. Let me see. Bitcoin can't go nowhere but it up. Okay, that's what you said. It's sold out, stressed out. You just said Bitcoin can't go nowhere but up. It's sold out. So I don't know. I don't know if I'm reading things wrong. You said I think it's possible bump then sideways for a little while. Okay, so do you think that this is the bottom and we're going up? Because I'm reading your comments and you saying that this is the bottom and we will go up. I understand that we go sideways. Okay. Yeah, I'm not saying moon. Adam. Listen to what I'm saying. Do you think this is the bottom? Okay. Do you think this is the bottom and we're going to go up from here? Real close to the bottom. Okay. So let me ask you this now, because the reason why I'm doing this, guys, is because I'm trying to see how most people think when they say that this is the bottom and we're going up. Okay, so Adam, you saying it's real close to the bottom. Okay, so let me ask you this: how do you know it's real close to the bottom? How do you know? Shout to everybody that's here. Let me see if I see any more questions here while I go back and forth with Adam. Let me see if I see any more questions here. Jared said, if it breaks 75 with strength, then I might turn bullish on switch button, but it's still in a bear market. Okay. Hensley said, no moon from here, diverges volume. Yeah, Adam, so let me know, Adam. How do you know it's real close to the bottom, Adam? Okay. I think it's possible to go down, but unlikely. I don't know anything, but it seems like it's sold out. The slope of the graph has changed. Okay, so you guys, you hear this, right? So you have to understand the reason why I'm doing this is the reason why I'm doing this, guys. Is the reason why I'm doing this. The reason why I'm going back and forth with Adam is because I'm trying to understand the mind. Okay, just trying to understand the mind of, you know, people that think like this, because, you know, I've been doing this for a long time, and if I can basically help you guys in a way, even if you don't take anything I say, you know, or take the information and use it, but hopefully I could convince one or two. Okay, but he said, okay, listen to the words, right? And I want you guys to listen to this closely. Okay. He said real close to the bottom. Okay? Real close to the bottom. Listen to that. Listen to how he's talking right there. Okay? Then I asked him, how do you know it's real close to the bottom? Okay? Now listen to how he just changed. Automatically just changed. I think it's possible to go down. Okay, do you see how automatically the switch turned to it's close to the bottom? Then he said, I think. Okay, this is why I try to, give you guys the most. I tried to give you guys the realest information out here, because I'm not like these other YouTubers that would tell you guys, everything is safe by the bottom. We're close to the bottom because, I see the bulls coming in and we're going to the moon. That will get you in trouble. I'm going to tell you why. Because when you think like that, okay, you basically saying that you know what the market is going to do. No one knows what the market is going to do. No one knows. Okay. So this is why I'm having this conversation with Adam, because, most people that think that this is the bottom, they have beliefs. Okay. They have beliefs and they think that their beliefs are reality. Okay. And I'm trying to turn that switch and help you guys to understand that your beliefs are not reality. We know nothing. Okay. We are just little people looking up and hoping that things will go our way, but we don't have no control. We don't control the market at all. Okay. So, let me finish reading his comments. Okay. So, he said that I don't know anything, which is good. I'm glad that you said that. I don't know anything, which is great. But it seems like it's sold out. Okay. The slope of the graph has changed. Okay. So, Adam, back to my first question, Adam. Okay. You said that it seems like the slope has changed. So let me ask you this. What's the difference between this slope and these other slopes? Okay. That's what I want to know. And he said, okay, so he said, and many developments are coming out as well. So there are a lot of real life applications, right? Applications being applied as we speak. Okay, so Adam, let me know. Okay, so you're saying that there's developments coming. Okay. Okay. So where are these developments and how long are these things going to play out? Okay, how long are these developments going to play out? When they're going to come in? That's the question you need to ask, because most people don't. They just see the news. They read the news. Okay, they read the news and they automatically think that if Goldman Sachs is looking at crypto, that they're going to automatically be in the market. Okay, you have to understand the news is not going to tell you the real thing. So you're saying that, real life applications being applied as we speak. What does that even mean? Okay. Now you're saying it's a stretch out more over time. Okay, previous spikes were. So you have to understand. This pullback is no different than this pullback and this pullback right here. Okay, we are in the bear market, and we've been in the bear market for the whole year. Okay, so you have to ask yourself, how many times I'm going to get faked out? How many times my hopes are going to get crushed? And when do I not get excited when I see up moves like this? You have to start asking yourself. No sound. Guys, can you hear me now though? Some people said no sound. Can you hear me now? Shout out to everybody that's here. Let me see if I see. Let me see if I can hear myself. Some people said no sound. I don't know if you guys can hear me now. All right. So Adam said, it means people are using TRX on seated and for Twitter. Okay, so what does that have to do with Bitcoin and these other cryptocurrencies? You have to understand that most of these cryptocurrencies that you see are not being used. People are buying them and holding them like they are precious metals. They're not being used, guys. No one is using them. No new users is coming in the market right now. No new users are coming in the market right now. Okay, so we just have to wait until that bull run comes. Okay, and it's not going to come just because you believe it's going to come. It's going to come because this, everything is ironed out, because Bitcoin right now in the crypto market right now is a lot of things going on. A lot of things going on. And we have to flush out a lot of these crap coins that's on the market. Okay, we had to flush them out. And the only way to flush them out is the market has to go down. Okay. You said mass adoption is quickening. So you saying mass adoption is quickening, but there's no new people coming in the market. So let me ask you this: if mass adoption is coming in, why is the market continuing to going down? Continuing going down. Why is the market going down? So let me see if I see any more questions. Shout out to everybody that's here. Any market, especially crypto, the market can be and will go lower than it's still. Yeah, exactly. So he don't understand that. Adam doesn't understand, okay, that if you really want this market to boom, it's not going to be us, guys. It's not going to be the little guys that's coming in the market. It's going to have to be the big players, okay? And big players will not come at these levels. It's too high for them. It's too risky. Why would someone worth billions of dollars, okay, come in this market at 7,000? It's too high. They need the market to drop even lower. Okay? So in order for Bitcoin to continue to go up, it has to get major players in the market, and these major players are not going to pay these prices. It's too high for them. It's too risky. Okay, so you guys have to really understand what industry you are in, and how to. You have to basically study your industry. Okay. Saying that you think the market is going to go up is just a belief, guys. You just have to understand that it's just a belief. I believe a lot of things is going up. Will it go up just because I believe it? No. Okay, this is why I'm trying to help you guys not make the mistakes that I made in the past. I got crushed in 2008 just because I thought that the market will go up or some of these stocks will go up, but my beliefs don't matter at all. And you have to understand that, guys. Your beliefs are not reality. Let me see if I see any more questions before I get out of here, guys. If you have any questions before I leave, let me know. Let me see if I see any questions here. Let me see. Pablo, so where do I see TRX in 2020? I don't know, Pablo. That's too far from me right now. That's 2020 is very far from me. I try not to think that far right now, especially in the bear market. Trend line is going down, yeah. Adam said, thanks for your feedback. Yeah, no problem, Adam. Shout out to you, Adam. Thanks a lot for having that back and forth discussion. I definitely appreciate that. We can talk like human beings and not, not go crazy. Shout out to you, Adam. Thanks a lot. Hensley said we need more merchants accepting Bitcoin. Yeah, that would work out good. Okay. People don't understand. Okay, cryptocurrency. Listen to the word cryptocurrency. It's supposed to be used, right? This is what most people don't understand. It's cryptocurrencies. We're supposed to be using it back and forth. Okay, you send me $5 here. I send you $10 here. You send this person $100 here. This is not what's going on right now. People are buying TRX and Dash and Neo and holding these cryptos like it's some type of gold. Okay, this is why I'm trying to tell you guys. The crypto market it has a lot of things they have to iron out. But for right now, before when that bull market comes, okay, since we are in the bear market, the best thing to do is just understand what's going on. Okay. Let me see. Let me go to the 4 hour before I get out of here. So we selling off a little bit. This is not what I really want to see. I definitely want to see some decent sized candles, but we selling off a little bit, but it's not a lot. But just be careful. Anybody that's long right now, be careful. Be careful. Dom said Adam's a good guy. Yeah, Adam's a good guy, man. Adam's a good guy. Okay. Mario said we should all wish the market goes even lower so we can also buy it cheap at prices. Shout out to you, Marco. Keith said, I agree. Yeah, Adam. Yeah, Adam was a good sport, man. All I want to do, guys, is just try to make you guys look at the market, have a different view, put it like that. Okay, I don't want you guys just to be another average Joe that always think the market is going to go up. Some years the market is just going to go down. It's just how the market works. Okay, just go back in the past. If you don't believe me, go back in the past and look at Bitcoin. Okay, go back in the past, look at Bitcoin. Every year the Bitcoin wasn't up. Some years Bitcoin was down. Okay, so unfortunately this year we are having a down year, unfortunately. Okay, but I'm trying to tell you guys, we don't have to suffer when Bitcoin is down. We can actually still make money. Okay, and when the bull market comes, we can actually make a lot of money too, because now we have enough skills to know what's going on, and now we can actually put our skills to work. Shout out to you guys. I'm about to get out of here, man. I'm about to get out of here. But, shout out to you guys. Like I said before, if you have this course right here, send me proof that you got this course so I can give you that Discord link. Okay. If you don't have this course by now, check it out, because it's a discount right now on this live stream. As soon as I get off, it's going right back to 210. It will show you how to make money in a bull market and a bear market. Okay. I am a professional day trader, professional swing trader. So this is going to set you straight so you can actually become a professional. Okay. I know a lot of people just like to buy, but if you want to learn how to make money right now in this current market, okay, this is why I actually took a short right here. When the market was going up and everybody was bullish, okay, when the market was going up, everybody was bullish. I made money right here, and not only me and my students. So this is how you stay on track by not having just one view. You have to have multiple views. So shout out to you guys. I'm about to get out of here. I just posted a link to that chat. Let me see if I see any more questions before I leave. Andrew said the trend line is down. So shout out to Andrew. Okay. Andrew said it the best. The trend line is down. Okay. So if I say, hey, 5-year-old, right? If I ask a 5-year-old, hey, 5-year-old, in 2017, what way we was going in 2017? Were we going up or down? He would say we going up. We was going up. Okay, that's good. So what about this year? Okay, ever since January this year, what about this year? Are we going up or are we going down? Oh, we going down. Okay, it's that simple. Things are pointing down. So we are in a downtrend. We're in a bear market. It's going on 9 months. I would never, ever, ever go against the major trend like this. It's just too dangerous. People have been buying the dips ever since January. They still haven't recovered yet. Okay. I know a lot of people lost a lot of money buying dips this whole year. I know a lot of people bought a lot of dips this whole year and holding and wishing that Bitcoin will reverse. I will never ever go against the major trend because I understand that these guys that control the markets, right? These guys have a lot of money. We talking about billions of dollars. So I would never ever go against those guys because I don't like my odds. I don't like my odds at all. As a professional, I have to go along with the trend because the trend will basically help you make money consistently. Okay? Imagine me trying to short Bitcoin just because I believe that Bitcoin was going to reverse last year. Okay? This is why I tell you guys, I don't care. I don't even care about my beliefs. Okay, I don't care about my beliefs when it comes to anything about the markets. I just look at the chart. Whatever the chart is telling me, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so let's say that I believe last year the market was going to reverse. Because I ain't gonna lie, before I even got into cryptocurrencies, I was like, man, this thing is so high, man. This thing probably gonna reverse soon. Okay, that was my beliefs. Okay, that was my beliefs. But the reality in the chart was telling me, hey, man, we're not going down, we're going up. Okay, so that's why I had to participate and buy, these coins. So imagine me trying to short just because my beliefs, or just because I believe that Bitcoin was going down. I got crushed. Okay, so that's why I don't care about my beliefs. My beliefs don't matter. And these YouTubers that's telling you that this is going to moon up, their beliefs don't matter. So you have to understand, guys. Our beliefs don't matter at all. Okay, it's what the market is going to do, and it is what the market is doing right now. I try to stay in the now as much as possible because that's going to help me stay consistent. Okay, right now the market is pointing down, so I'm sorry, I just can't get excited right now and say the market is going to the moon. Okay, and when I saw Bitcoin in the past failed us so many times, we should have went to 14K by now, but every time we try to test the 10,000 level, we just shoot right back down. So anyway, shout out to you guys. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Like I said before, If you have the course, email me proof so I can send you that Discord room so you can chat with me and my students. Marcus said, I just purchased your course. How do I gain access to the Discord? Shout out to you, Marcus, man. Let me give Marcus a round of applause. Okay, shout out to you. I didn't see that. Let me give you a round of applause. Thanks a lot, Marcus, for supporting the channel. Okay. How you get access to the Discord room is you email me proof that you bought the course. As soon as you email me, actually, matter of fact, email me right now. Okay. So when I get off this live stream, I'm going to check my emails and I'm going to email you that Discord link. Okay. So shout out to you, man. Shout out to you. Thanks a lot for getting the course. And like I tell everybody that gets the course, your eyes will, definitely, you will see things much better, put it like that. And you're going to see that there's a lot of money to be made. Okay, there's a lot of money to be made. And I don't want you guys to just, lose money just because you think the market is going to reverse right now. Okay. Right now, the market is healing itself. It's cleansing itself. Okay, we have to cleanse. Okay, the market. Some of these coins have to go down a little bit before the market for the market to become healthy again. Okay, so trust me, guys, it's not bad. It's not bad for the market to go down. It's not. It's not bad for the market to go down. It's because once the market turns bullish once again, okay, once the market turns bullish, it's going to run much smoother, okay? Because right now it's too much scams going on or too much craziness going on. So shout out to you, Marcus. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Marcus. Make sure you email me. I don't know if you have my email address. Marcus, are you still here? I'm gonna give you my email address right now. Marco said way too many scams. Yeah, man, too many scams. Marco said bull trap. Yes, so that's what you have to do. You have to understand that, in this market, right? You have to understand, guys, in this market, we are competing against the smartest guys on the planet, okay? People think that the market is just a place where you just buy, okay? You just buy because you like something, and, that's it. Trust me, guys, it's not that easy, okay? We are competing against sharks, okay? We are competing against the smartest guys on the planet, okay? We competing against scientists, competing against millionaires, billionaires, people that control a lot, right? Have a lot of connections, people that are good with math. They have a lot of data, right? They know everything about you. So we don't really have an edge at all. The only edge we have is to follow the big dogs, okay? Where they go, I go, okay? So if the big dogs is going up, I'm going up. If the big dogs is going down, I'm going down, okay? Because we don't have an edge at all. So shout out to you guys. Thanks a lot for coming through. Let me see if I see one more question before I get out of here. Yeah, Marcus, I don't know if you left, but because I don't see you reply yet. But if you watching this the replay, email me proof that you bought the course so you get that Discord room. Let me see if I'm gonna go do this. Let me see. Marco said best advice is to understand how the market works. Yeah, definitely. Let me see. Crypto Inspo, shout out to you, man. Thanks a lot. You need to come here more often, but I understand you say you at school right now, so shout out to you, man. Adam said, thanks, everybody. No problem, man. Adam said, I'm still bullish at heart. Yeah, no problem, Adam. We all bullish at heart. We all bullish at heart, but at the same time, you know. Adam said, we don't have an edge. Now, we don't have an edge, Adam, at all, because we don't have a edge at all because we don't control the market. Okay, we don't control the market. So something that you don't control, you don't have an edge. Okay, so the only edge we have, especially in this market, is to basically follow the big dogs. Someone said, do I believe all in Elliott waves? I don't know. I try to look into it, but I don't know if it even, you know, I don't know if it's worth it like that. I don't use it. Exactly, Marco. Our edge is actually following the big dogs. Yep. The big boys. Marcus said, I sent you the email. Thanks. All right, no problem. All right, guys. So I'm about to get out of here, man. Thanks a lot for coming through, man. I appreciate it, guys. Make sure you guys have a good night. Make sure, guys, keep on studying. Guys, I'm telling you, studying, okay? How do you think your favorite whatever, okay, your favorite sport guys, like me, I love, you know, I love basketball. So, you know, how you think LeBron James or Stephen Curry or these guys, Kevin Durant, how you think these guys got so, you know, got to that level? Okay, they study, they practice. Okay, this is what we have to do, guys, in order to become good and great and actually do something consistent over and over and over. Okay, we have to practice and study and learn how things work. Okay, you just can't just say, okay, I hope or I wish. You can't do that. Trust me, I've been doing this for 11 years, and trust me, I never made money off of hope and wish. Every time I hope and wish, I just basically lost money every time. Every single time, man. Man, I hope this stock go up. Man, I wish. So, just learn, guys. Just learn. So, take care, guys. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Let me give you guys a round of applause before I get out of here. Let me give you guys a round of applause. All right. Study the charts. Yes, man. Thanks a lot. I just play your videos, then research patterns. Yes. Shout out to you, Crypto Inspo. It's good to see you here, man. Good to see you here. So, all right. Adam said, hop on a course. Come to the Discord. Yeah. Definitely, Adam. You can hop on a course and come to that Discord. So, anyway, guys, see you guys later. And, you know, make sure you have a good night and study these charts. Just be careful, because most likely it looks like it's trying to hit that 72 level. So just be careful, guys. All right. Anyway, guys, talk to you later.